I am Gary with Australian Waterproofing Company, and I look after all our sprayed applied membrane systems to rooftops. We have different sprayed membrane systems to suit your project: epoxy, acrylic, liquid rubber, and polyurea. Our spray applied waterproofing membrane protective coating systems are manufactured specifically to suit the harsh Australian weather conditions. They are based on environmentally friendly, reliable and durable, high-quality materials that meet and exceed Australian standards. Spray membrane systems in Melbourne are in high demand because of their flexible properties and UV stability. Our team starts with cleaning and preparing the rooftop area. The technicians then select and apply a suitable primer for the project, such as concrete or metal primer. Bond breakers are then added to all movement joints. 2 coats of membrane are then spray applied to the rooftop area. Australian Waterproofing Company partners with the major manufacturers who are committed to continuing developing products that meet the Australian standards. Our teams are determined to offer superior quality services. So call us today to get a sprayed membrane to your rooftop.